In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change keyboard color on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, on Android devices, you are able to easily shift between all of the colors and you have a lot of customization options for your keyboard. However, what about iPhones? Can you do the same? Well, there are some options related to keyboard. I'm going to teach you how to change the keyboard color if you don't want to install any external applications, and then what to do if you aren't satisfied with this option. So for the first option, you will be able to do this without any third-party applications. Just go into the settings of your iPhone and find the accessibility category. Once you go inside of accessibility, go into display and text size. You will find plenty of options, and the one that we want to enable is reduce transparency. This will change the transparency effect across a lot of things on your iPhone, but it also changes it on the keyboard. Because of this change, now instead of having sort of a light gray keyboard, you will have a black keyboard. So this is going to be the option if you don't want to install any applications. But as you can clearly tell, it is extremely limited. This doesn't allow you to necessarily change between all of the cool colors. It just gives you the option between a gray or a black keyboard. So if you aren't satisfied with this and you want to change it between other colors like red, green, yellow, and so on, you have to download third-party applications. There are various different applications available on the App Store, and I would recommend two. Either Gboard, which is designed by Google, and in here you can customize the background, you can do custom images for the background, you can do gradients, and also fontics. Essentially, they achieve the same idea. They allow you to customize the font, but also the keyboard on your iPhone. You will have to change the default keyboard, and after you do, it is going to use the one from the third-party application. But if you don't want to install these apps, then this is going to be the only option that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to change keyboard color on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.